Hello guys! Welcome back again. So ito na nga, meron naman tayo another unbox and this is much awaited by me. So ito na nga yung unbox natin. Ito. This is Realme GT Master Edition. So why not? Kasi Realme ito. And this is a 5G phone. Tingnan mo guys, ang laki ng box niya. Usually ganito kataas yung in-unbox sa ating phone. Ito, medyo malaki siya. So ito yung box. Kita naman natin. Sa unboxing natin, makikita naman natin dito babanggitin ko to kung ano yung mga nakasulat sa likod ng box. Ang tanong natin, is this another best mid-range phone natin this time or hindi? But first, don't forget to click like and subscribe to this channel. So, Realme GT Master Edition 5G. Ito yung box. Alam mo in person guys, yung box medyo malaki siya. Matangkad. Ano kaya sa loob? So, Realme logo, the orange, and ito, sa side, Realme GT Master Edition. So, at the back, we can see the highlights of the specs. So, nakasulat dito, Snapdragon 778G, 5G processor, 120Hz Super AMOLED display, 65W super dart charge, super slim and light master design. So itong box is color Voyager gray. And hey, welcome to Realme family. Oh, thank you. Ano kaya dito? So, ito envelope. So, malaking paperworks. Quick guide. And what's this? Another quick guide siguro to. Here's the phone. Dito muna. And ito yung case na sinasabi. Ito muna. And we have and this is the Type-C adapter. And this is the 65W super dart charger. Laki rin ng charger. And wala nang earphone. And here it is the SIM ejector pin. So that's it. Ito yung laman ng box. So here's the phone. Yan. Oops. Ito yung front. First inspection natin kung meron siyang pre-installed na screen protector. Meron siya. Ayan. So good sa akin yan. And then yung likod. Tanggalin muna natin to. Wow! Ang ganda ng likod Parang suitcase, parang maleta. So ito Realme, yung logo, and then may pirma, signature ng nag-design nito. So andito yung casing, made of rubber siya. Pero ako I would prefer na wala siyang phone case. Mas maganda siya. So that's it guys. I'll be back later and set up this phone. Done setting up with this phone and ito na siya. Lock natin yung phone. Mode of unlocking the phone is through face recognition, PIN code, and the fingerprint scanner sa screen. So on screen siya. Madali lang i-register yung fingerprint niya dito sa phone. Merong iba kasi phone na with screen protector, mahirap siya i-register. Ito madali lang. So, na-register ko na rin siya easily without any challenges. So, unlock na natin siya through finger. So, nakalock na yung screen then unlock natin. Lock natin ulit. Then, unlock. Mabilis lang para sa akin. So, guys, ang ganda ng phone, Ito, mas lalo na to, guys. So, ito yung likod. with the 3 cameras, and this is the front. Anyway, we have 2 variants of this phone. This one is 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, which is 21,990 pesos. And the other one is 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, which is 18,990 pesos. This is suitcase design by Naoko Fukusawa. So, andito yung Realme logo and yung signature niya. Guys, promise, mukhang pangmayaman tong phone. Design pa lang, panalo na. The weight of this phone is 180 grams. This is for this color only, which is Voyager Gray. And 174 grams para sa Daybreak Blue na color. Kaya medyo mabigat to kasi gawa to sa exquisite vegan leather. Kaya pala. Leather siya, vegan leather. And si Naoko Fukusawa, siguro he loves traveling. Kaya naisipan niya mag-design ng ganitong phone. Anyway, nandito yung power button ng phone. Tapos sa ilalim, andun yung headphone jack, yung mic, tsaka USB Type-C port, and the loudspeaker. Ito siya. On the left side, nandito yung volume control. Nandito nga ako kanina, hinahanap ko dito sa right side eh. Nandito pala sa left side yung volume control. Andito na rin yung SIM tray. So, pwede siyang dalawang nano SIM. So, hindi siya expandable. Yun nga lang ang problem. Hindi siya expandable. And sa front naman, it is made of glass. And meron na siyang pre-installed na screen protector. On the top of the phone, this is the secondary mic. Ito na rin siya. For the display of the phone, this is 6.43 inches Super AMOLED with 2400 by 1080 Full HD Plus resolution. And it has up to 1000 nits of brightness. And for the battery, this phone is equipped by 4,300 mAh massive battery capacity with 65-watt super dart charger. Once again guys, tingnan natin no. Manipis pala yung phone siya. Easy grip for me kasi manipis lang siya. Okay na sa akin. Medyo nalilitan ako. So, for the camera, ito siya. We have triple camera sa likod. Medyo nakalabas siya konti. Medyo lang talaga yung triple camera. Pag nilagay natin ng case, which is this one, yung free casing, maka-cover naman siya yung camera. Ayan. So, hindi nakalabas yung camera. Pero natakpan naman yung original back ng phone. Pero meron pa naman dito yung autograph nung designer ng phone, tsaka yung Realme logo. Kaso nga lang, yung material, hindi na kasi gamit natin yung casing ng phone. For the camera, yung rear camera, it has 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle, and 2 megapixel macro. For the recording of the phone, meron siyang 1080p 30fps and 60fps. And for the 4K, it is up to 30fps. Although sabi sa website, nabasa ko, meron siyang 4K up to 60fps. Pero nung chinek ko dito sa phone, yung sa camera option, naka-grade out yung 60fps niya. So 4K and 30fps lang talaga yung options na pwede. It can zoom up to 20 times or digital zoom for photos and 10 times for video, both for 4K and 1080p. For the front camera or selfie camera, it is 32 megapixel Sony camera. Wow! With 80-degree angle FOV. Ibig sabihin ng FOV is field of view. So 80-degree angle siya yung front camera. And the video recording of the front camera is up to 1080p at 60fps. Other feature ng phone is a story mode, dual mode which is I like, and street photography. Yung street photography, hindi ko pa siya na-experience. Speaking of photography, here are the sample videos and pictures. So guys, ang ganda 'di ba? Ang ganda ng quality ng video and pictures. Hindi na ako nagulat. Expected ko naman na magandang quality ng camera. Especially when taking macro shots and mga nature photos, yung mga plants, yung mga trees, and also the landscape. But overall, ang ganda niya based sa mga tinake kong videos and pictures. Front camera also very good yung quality, especially pag nasa low light. Sobrang bright ng quality ng pictures, so okay din yung quality ng selfie pictures. The chipset used is Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G and the OIS is Android 11 Realme UI 2.0. Speaking of the chipset used on this phone, maganda rin yung performance ng phone when it comes to gaming. So for the Mobile Legends, meron siyang HFR mode and graphics niya is up to high. I have no problems playing Mobile Legends on this phone. Very smooth siya and ang ganda ng graphics niya, very colorful. And I have no problems with the control and also with the connection. Kasi may iba nasasabi, nabasa ko somewhere na meron daw siyang ghost touch. Wala naman, wala akong experience sa ghost touching on this phone. Very responsive siya sa control ng game. And for Call of Duty, kung maganda performance siya sa Mobile Legends, ganun din sa Call of Duty. Yung graphic quality niya is up to very high and yung frame rate niya is up to max. And maganda rin performance ng COD, especially yung part na pag naghahagis na ng grenade, usually nagsuslow motion siya kasi hindi kaya ng FPS. Ito ang ganda, very smooth siya, so no problem playing with this game. And no problem also when it comes to scrolling of the phone and changing the application windows because of 120Hz refresh rate. So ang bits niya oh. And also when scrolling, mabilis din siya. So very responsive and unlike this phone. The resolution of this phone is very good quality, especially when watching YouTube. Basta adjust nyo lang yung quality ng YouTube and also sa Netflix and also other video. Kaso ang preferred ko talaga is 6.5 inches above na screen size. Kasi alam niyo na, naka-eyeglass ako eh. Loudspeaker, very good yung loudspeaker niya. Although single loudspeaker lang siya dito sa ilalim. The problem is, matakpan mo lang siya, hindi mo na maririnig yung music. Sobrang hina na o parang wala ng music. But maganda yung quality niya pag hindi mo siya matatakpan. Medyo malakas na rin siya. And this phone, meron siyang GT mode. Yung GT mode, pang boost siya ng performance ng phone. Like, pag nag-click ka ng application, mas lalong bibilis mag-run, o mabilis mag-open. Pag nag-click ka ng games, or pag nag-open ka ng games, mas mabilis mag-load. Kaso, meron siyang disclosure. Sabi, mas matakaw daw siya sa battery, and baka mas uminit pa yung phone. But for now, hindi ko muna ulit inon yung GT performance kasi okay naman sa akin eh, satisfied na ako sa performance ng phone kahit hindi naka-activate yung GT mode. Other feature ng phone is meron siyang vapor cooling system para ma-reduce yung temperature ng phone. So meron yata aircon sa loob. Joke lang. Meron siyang cooling system sa loob. So pansin ko hindi siya masyadong umiinit kanina habang naglalaro ako ng games. So my verdict about this phone, overall, I like this phone, especially the design of this phone. So guys, pag bibili kayo ng Realme GT Master Edition, piliin nyo tong color. Ganda, masasatisfied kayo talaga. And matutuwa kayo sa design ng phone. Of course, ito rin, maganda yung front niya. And besides that, of course, hindi lang sa design, but sa performance. Also sa resolution ng phone, quality ng video, and the pictures. The only downside for me is sana dual speaker siya. And sana expandable memory siya kasi nga this phone is inspired for traveler. Pag nag-travel tayo, I'm sure mapupuno yung memory ng phone sa kakatake ng pictures and videos. So sayang, sana expandable memory siya. So guys, what do you think? Will you get this phone or not? So it's for you to decide and I hope I help you decide to buy this phone or not with this video. So once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you again. Bye!